let's straight dive into that because that is really what's impacted markets on Friday as well, and that will keep the Indian markets under pressure most likely. So let's start off with the Federal Reserve, unlikely to be able to bring down inflation without having to raise interest rates considerably higher. And that may cause a recession according to a research paper that has been published. Despite comments from many Fed officials that they can manage a soft landing while tackling high prices, the paper says that it is unlikely to be the case. The paper was presented during a monetary policy forum presented by the University of Chicago Booth School of Business.
And Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway reported its highest ever annual operating profit, even as foreign currency losses and rising interest rates contributed to lower earnings in the fourth quarter. Now, Buffett called 2022 a good year for Berkshire in his annual shareholder letter. Berkshire also bulked up its cash hoard, ending the year with $128 billion. Berkshire shares outpaced the S&P 500 index by 22 percentage points in 2022.
Well, the comeback of value, isn't it, Ankita? Warren Buffett published his highly anticipated annual letter as well to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders. The letter has been an annual tradition for the 92-year-old Oracle of Omaha for more than 6 decades now. Buffett urged investors to focus on the big picture over the long term rather than higher inflation in the short term. He also urged Americans not to be convulsed by self-criticism and self-doubt.
And more than 600 people are now being investigated in Turkey over buildings that collapsed in the deadly earthquakes. For years, experts warned that endemic corruption and government policies meant many new buildings were unsafe. The confirmed death toll in Turkey and Syria has exceeded 50,000 already. More than 160,000 buildings have collapsed or were severely damaged in Turkey after the quakes.
Well, and on to news from the EU. UK PM Rishi Sunak and European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen will announce a new Brexit deal for Northern Ireland. The deal seeks to resolve tensions caused by the 2020 post-Brexit arrangements governing Britain and its open border with Ireland. The European Commission's president will meet Sunak's cabinet.
And at least 59 people died, including 12 children, in a boat wreck near the southern Italian coast. The vessel, which sailed from Turkey and was carrying people from Afghanistan, Iran, and Syria, and several other countries, the incident reopened a debate on migration in Europe and Italy.
Right.